In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Snapchat device ban SS08. Let's get started. The first and important solution covered in this guide is submitting an official appeal directly through Snapchat. If you receive the SS06 error message when attempting to log in, you should check whether Snapchat provides an appeal decision button on the login screen. If this option is available, you can submit a detailed appeal explaining your situation and requesting a review of the restriction. Snapchat will then evaluate your case and determine whether the device ban should be removed. In case appeal button is not available, that means the restriction is not currently eligible for the review. You should understand that Snapchat applies different levels of enforcement depending on the nature of the violation. Some SS06 device bans may be temporary and could be lifted after several months, while more serious violations may result in permanent restrictions. You can head over to the website help.snapchat.com. Here you can explain about the issue that your account has been banned. You can have conversation with Snapchat support team. Snapchat support team will guide you through these steps that you can use to unlock your account. So that's it. By following these steps, you'll be good to go. You'll be able to log into your Snapchat account. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.